welcome to my channel. As promised in my last video, I am testing the Neewer light I bought recently. I bought this light because I needed an affordable lighting solution for my videos. So this is the light I bought, the Neewer LED Fill Light 176 for photo and video. It has 176 LED light bulbs and the color temperature ranges from 3400 Kelvin to 5600 Kelvin. I opted for the set that included two filters, orange and transparent, a mount for the light, a USB charger with two NPF 550 batteries, which are quite easy to use, and a carrying case. I also bought these extra mounts which have a ball and provide more flexibility than the one the light is sold with. And I bought this Neewer light stand. It extends to 50 centimeters in length, and what I like about it is that it has a very small footprint, which is great when you don't have much space on your table. Here you can see the stand fully extended. The light is really easy to use. To switch it on, firmly press the button and hold for a few seconds. As you can see, it is really bright without the filter on, so don't look straight into the light. The dimmer has a range between 10% and 99%. The dial goes up or down in 1% increments. Here I am showing you how to go to the minimum of 10%. As this takes a while, I am speeding this up. As you can see, it is still very bright at 10%. Let's test the light with the filters. First up, the transparent filter that should soften the light a bit. I'm also cranking up the dimmer back to 99% for maximum brightness. I don't really think this filter makes much of a difference. Let's try the orange tungsten filter. Oh, I really like the warm effect this gives. As you might have noticed, I don't really appear in my videos, and I think this light would be a bit too harsh with the transparent filter or without one to light up a face. However, I needed a light I can use for close-up work, so let's see how it performs when I film some of my artwork. So at the moment I am filming this on the stand that is set to the lowest height of 34 centimeters. I drew that image of the hare last year when I took part in Inktober. I used my own prompts, which was animals following the alphabet, but that's something for a different video. Back to the light. As you can see, the transparent filter doesn't make much of a difference. It's maybe a smidgen softer. So let's see how the orange filter looks like. I really like this warm light. I think I will make use of this in some of my videos. I'm testing the same again, but at a height of 50 centimeters, which is the maximum height of my little stand. I'm not sure if changing the height makes much of a difference, but I have to say I am so far impressed with this little light. It will certainly improve the lighting situation of my videos. I might invest in another one in the future. Yes, it is made of plastic, but it is also lightweight. Instead of batteries, you can also use a power adapter. I like that it's dimmable and that the filters are useful too. What I'm not so happy with is that there is no indicator for the battery life, and I can't tell you how long the battery lasts, as I have used the light in this video for the first time. I would also have preferred a charger with a power cable instead of a USB one that you have to plug into a computer. Charging the batteries takes a few hours. Despite those minor quibbles, I would recommend this as an entry-level light for people on a small budget. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions or comments, let me know and I will try my best to answer them. And if you liked the video, it would be awesome if you could hit the like button. If you want to see more of my videos, make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Until next time.